Alright, today we're going to check out this Tamiya kit. It's the 1982 Brabham BT50 BMW Turbo, driven by Nelson Piquet. And this is a first for me on two things. I've never built a Tamiya kit, and I have never built a Formula One kit. So, should be pretty exciting. Gonna go through stuff right at the moment. Kind of show you what's in the box. I did get this used, and I'm missing a couple things, so I'll go over that with you as we look at everything here. So let me show you what I got here. Get this out of the way. All right, first up we got the driver figure. Here's what's left of the blue clear parts. I don't have a windshield. There is the visor in there, but I don't think I'm going to use it because I think it would look odd. There's the body. Here is the underside of it. It's got 4 Goodyear tires, 2 big ones and 2 little ones. There's that visor piece. It has this little tension bar. I don't really know where that goes yet. It's got these little rubber kind of grommets. Some tubing for wiring. Here's the silver tree. There's the black tree. And then here's the rest of the white tree here. And then it has instructions. Just kind of looking through them. They are very detailed. I like them a lot. All the color callouts are on there with Tamiya paints. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited to get rolling on this. And then, like I said, it was used. It did not come with any decals. So, I'll show you what I'm going to do for that. There's a place online called decals.net, and they offer replacement decals for a lot of different things, mostly IndyCar, but they also got Formula One stuff, IMSA stuff, so pretty neat little deal. So I'm going to use these. They look better than what the kit decals would have been anyway, so kind of excited about that. I'll just have to come up with some kind of way to make the windshield, which I have an idea. I'm going to get some clear plastic and kind of make one of my own. So, but that's kind of the unboxing of Nelson Piquet's 1982 Brabham, and I look forward to getting started on this. Thank you all for watching.